Is your Toyota RAV4 constantly dropping your Apple CarPlay connection mid-drive? Let's troubleshoot the three most common culprits. Statistics show that over 70% of infotainment drops are caused by poor quality or worn-out lightning and USB cables. Before you visit the dealer, follow these diagnostic steps to narrow down the source of the glitch. Start by swapping your cable for a genuine Apple-certified cord and cleaning out any pocket lint from your phone's charging port. If the hardware is fine, look at the software side, specifically clearing out old, unused Bluetooth profiles that might be causing signal interference. You may also need to forget the RAV4 from your iPhone's CarPlay settings and repair the device from scratch to refresh the handshake protocol. Most fixes are free, but if you have tried everything and it still drops, it might be time for a head unit firmware update at the dealer. As you can see, the vast majority of these issues stem from the connection link itself rather than a defect in your vehicle. When you go to the shop, ask if there are any active technical service bulletins specifically addressing CarPlay connectivity for your model year. Keep a non-conductive pick and some compressed air in your glove box to maintain your ports and cables regularly. Remember, don't ignore a loose charging port, as it can occasionally lead to deeper electrical issues if left unaddressed. Try these steps today, and you should be back to a stable CarPlay connection in no time.